Inside you wore its coat of rain. My shoes kept counting every drain, like rosary beads beneath my skin. A red cap smeared the windows white, two nombre steamed across the light. I walked until my heart gave in. The city leaned its weight on me. I never asked for shelter. One taste of you, mi querida, and all the weather melted. White with your memory, el cielo cries above, but the rain can never cool me when I burn for your love. The rain pours, your memory is dripping from my skin. Every time the storm comes down, I fall back in. In Rio when the streetlights swelled, 1,000 little mirrors held the way you left my mouth undone. Your lipstick stayed inside my coat, vino rojo in my throat. It warmed me where there should be none. The gutters hummed a dirty hymn, Los Santos almost faltered. I tried to curse the water out, but every drop came altered. Wet with your memory, el cielo cries above, but the rain can never cool me when I burn for your love. The rain pours, your memory is dripping from my skin. Every time the storm comes down, I fall back in. Maybe I am not the only ghost walking rooms after midnight. Your pillow keeps a warmer truth cuando apagas the light. Fold the sheets like nothing happened. Teach the mirror how to lie. When my memory finds your room, even quiet rooms don't drown.